What has she done to question my loyalty to this country? I served in the United States Marine Corps. I went to Iraq for this country. I built a business for this country. And my running mate took a bullet for this country.
Jingtai was established in 2009 at Guangzhou, China. The directors, Ally Fan and Mark Jing were joined the heavy equipment field since 2001, who have abundant 23 years experience and sound reputation in the field. Jingtai was authorized as the agent of Cummins, Garrett Turbo, CAT, Isuzu, Sony Power, Mitsubishi, Hino, Kawasaki, Korea Flutech Kawasaki, Handuk, Tongniang. Jingtai has Cooperation Company Limited offer K3V, K5V, K7V series pump and motor parts with LGMAZAK Doosan and German DMG machine. We have Cooperation Company Limited to specially make hydraulic motor and gearbox for all brand excavator. Factory use Japanese Lgmazak CNC machine to do all detailed dealing, and use Japan software and Germany Zeiss detector to check sample diameter is correct as genuine. We also have over $3 million Rexroth testing device to test motor and gearbox to assure OEM quality to Excavator Company Limited and overseas customers. Jingtai has hydraulic maintenance testing working and engine rebuild workshop in Guangzhou with 600 PCS new and rebuilt engines. Jingtai offers full ranges parts for the excavators, such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, Kobelco, Volvo. Mainly deal engine assembly and parts, hydraulic motor, travel motor, gearbox. Jingtai can offer electricity system remotely service for ECU and ECM. Jingtai will maintain these characters, continue our ways, we are here waiting for your contact.